our lesson today, drawing. You can write in your notebook, drawing an electron dot structure. Okay? In this lesson, we are going to study how we can draw an electron dot structure for different molecules. We will start with elements, how we can draw the electron dot structure of elements. For example, for hydrogen, for chlorine, or chlorine gas, or oxygen, or oxygen, or nitrogen. Okay? Who can give me number of valence of electrons of these elements? Valence electrons. Raise your hand. Who can give me number of valence electrons of these elements?
Mister.
Yes, Faisal.
All of it, or should I choose one?
Just one, for one.
Okay. Can I start? Can I answer?
Yeah. All right.
So yes, Mister. So H2. It's got 2 valence electrons.
2 valence electrons?
I think.
No, only one. Only one, teacher.
Yeah.
Only one. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So.
Sorry, Mister. The second one. The second one is 14.
No.
For chlorine.
No, 7.
7.
Oxygen 6.
Oxygen 6.
And nitrogen 5.
Nitrogen 5 valence electrons.
Yes.
If you remember, in the last class, or in our last lesson, we mentioned that we can know number of valence of electrons in each atom by knowing the number of the group of this element. Okay? If it is a representative element, then number of valence electrons in the atom equal number of the group of this atom. Now, chlorine in group 17A contains 7 valence electrons. Oxygen in 16A in group 16, 6 valence electrons. Nitrogen in group 15, 5 valence electrons. Hydrogen in group 1, 1 valence electron. Now, if we want to draw the electron dot structure of this element, of the molecule of this element, okay, we have to know number of valence electrons. Now, H2, this means that there are 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 and 1. In these 2 atoms, okay, there is 1 valence electron. Now, hydrogen can share one valence electron with another atom, here hydrogen with hydrogen, it will form H, two dots like this, and this represent shared
Covalent.
pair electrons. How many shared shared pair of electrons of electrons? How many shared
pair.
electron pair between the two
One
atoms?
pair.
How many? How many
One
pair?
One pair. One pair.
One pair. This covalent bonds is single
Yes.
covalent
Bond.
bond. And this is the dot structure of hydrogen molecule. This is the dot structure of hydrogen molecule. We can draw it like this. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Yes,
Now
Mr.
let's go for chlorine. Chlor has 7 valence electrons. In chlorine element, there is 2 atoms of chlorine. Okay? Which types of covalent bond they can form between each
Share,
other?
share.
How many pair we can put between them?
One pair.
One pair. Why? Here
Because
here the chlor atom here, chlorine atom here, needs 1 electron to be octet.
stable.
Okay? So it gives 1 electron, and the other atom gives 1 electron, and they will form
Three pairs.
single bond here between the 2 atoms,
One pair.
and the rest of
Three pairs.
One pair.
unshared electron pairs, we draw it as this.
Yes.
Okay? Now, if I
Teacher,
ask you,
I didn't understand the chlorine.
what?
I didn't understand the chlorine.
Here we have 7 dots because it has 7 pairs. Okay? And here 7.
Okay.
Each atom needs 1 electron to be octet, right?
Each what?
Each chlorine atom
Yes.
needs 1 electron to be
To be
octet.
stable.
So, so this atom share with 1 electron, and this atom share with 1 electron here. Okay?
Okay.
And they form 1 pair of electrons between the 2 atoms.
Okay.
These two electrons shared them. Okay?
Okay.
Now the rest of the covalent bond, covalent electrons, we draw it as it is in the first atom here. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
if I ask you how many valence electron in the two chlorine atom? Here we have 8 electron around this chlorine atom
And 8 as well here.
and 8 electron for the second chlorine atom. Okay? Now,
Okay.
if I ask you, how many shared pair
One
of
pair.
electrons between the two atoms? One shared
Pair.
pair. So this covalent bond, the types of this covalent bond is single covalent bond. Single covalent
Covalent.
bond. Okay? Now,
Okay.
can you draw this? Okay?
In the notebook. In the notebook.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second here.
Be careful about the number of dots around each atom. I'll give you
Mister,
2
I have a
minutes
question.
to draw it in your notebook.
Mister, I have a question.
Yeah.
Secret. Mr. Mahir.
Yeah.
I have a question about hydrogen.
Yeah.
How is hydrogen stable and it only has 2 electrons?
Okay. Hydrogen is an exception. Okay. Exception. Because hydrogen try to be like helium. Helium with 2 atoms, with 2 electrons. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Hydrogen satisfied with 2 electrons. Only hydrogen. Okay? As an exception.
Okay.
Now let's go to oxygen molecule.
Teacher,
Okay.
1 second, please. 1
Okay.
minute.
You can take screenshot.
Okay. خلاص teacher, it's okay.
Okay. Now let's continue. I'm going
hello,
to
can you
clear
hear me?
this. Yes, Mazen.
Can you hear my? Oh, okay, hear my voice. Sorry, it's the whole class. I wanted to talk, but the mic was broken.
Now we want to draw one. We want to draw the molecule of oxygen. How many valence electron in oxygen atom?
The oxygen is 6, Mister.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many electrons each atom needs to be octet?
1.
1?
Because it's now double.
2, 2.
2
Here, 2,
electrons.
4.
We
Yes.
find here 6 electrons, 6 dots, and here 6 electrons. So to be octet, each oxygen atom needs 2 electrons. Now, we have only 2 oxygen atoms, so this offer 2 electrons here, and this electron, and this oxygen atom offer 2 electrons, and they will form this molecule. Oxygen, we have here 4 electrons, 2 pairs of electrons, and the rest, the valence electrons, like this. Okay?
كيف كذا يا استاذ جايين؟ مو المفروض
The first
ان
oxygen atom offer two.
No. I mean the rest of the oxygens electrons. مو المفروض
Yes,
استاذ
teacher.
نوزعهم.
كيف وزعهم؟
يعني one up, one on the side and
Yeah.
ولا two up, one on the side and one down.
No, here we always
Yes.
draw in a molecule the electrons, the valence electrons as pairs. Okay?
Okay.
Now, how many shared
Double covalent
electron pairs?
Two.
Two.
So double covalent bond.
Double
Yeah,
covalent bond. We have here double covalent bond.
for nitrogen, triple covalent bond.
Double covalent bond. Draw this. For nitrogen.
For oxygen, teacher. Why do we put it يعني this way, teacher? يعني انا فهمت كل شيء استاذ بعد الدروينج حق الاخيره. يعني حطيت واحده يعني على اليسار فوق شويه وواحده على اليسار تحت شويه. يعني مو بنفس اللي سويناه. يعني انا ما فهمت الرسم نفسه الاخيره اللي حقت ذي النهايه. انا عرفت ليه دبل كوفالنت بوند.
خليني let me speak in Arabic ممكن تفهم اكثر. انا عندي هنا 6 دوتس عفوا 6 نقاط اللي هي عدد الكترونات التكافؤ الفالنس الكترون. Right?
Yes.
Now, and this oxygen atom has 6 dots, 6 valence electrons, right?
Yes.
Now, each atom needs 2 electrons to be octet, to be stable, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now, that's why each oxygen atom offers 2 electrons to form covalent bond. Okay?
Okay.
Here we have 2 electrons. Here we have 2 electrons from this atom. Okay? And here we have 2 electrons from this atom. Right?
Yes.
So, number of electrons shared between the 2 atoms, 4 electrons.
Yes.
Right? We draw the rest of dots as it is in the 2 atoms. Right?
Yes.
And this is the electron dot structure of oxygen element. Now, here we have 2 shared pairs of electrons between the 2 atoms.
They are double covalent.
This bond, chemical bond, this covalent bond, okay, is double covalent, not single. When number of shared pair between the 2 atoms held together equal 2, we have double covalent. Okay? Okay, Mazen? I can't hear you.
Yes, فهمت أستاذ. فهمت أستاذ.
Here, for nitrogen, we have 2 atoms. Each atoms contain how many valence electrons?
5 valence electrons.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Each atom needs how many electrons to be octet?
3 valence electrons.
3, right? Not the 3 pairs. Each atom needs 3 electrons to be octet. Now, each atom offers 3 electrons, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, how many electrons shared between the 2 atoms?
3.
3.
How many electrons shared?
Yeah.
6. 6.
6,
6.
right?
Yeah.
3 from this atom and 3 from this atom,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Yes.
The rest dots here, we draw it here, and this 2 dots here, okay? This covalent bond is what?
Triple.
Triple
Covalent bond.
covalent.
Mr. Maher, I have a question.
Yeah.
Why did you write it vertically؟ مو المفروض يا أستاذ نكتبها بالعرض بدل بالطول؟
اللي بدك اياه، اللي بدك اياه.
أوكي.
هيك بصير واللي انت بتقصده هيك. انت بتقصد يكونوا هيك، صح؟
صح.
horizontal.
هيك. مظبوط؟
مضبوط.
انا بفضل مش هيك، انا بفضل الشكل التالي، نحطهم vertical. اوكي؟ لانه
أوكي.
why? Because we can use dash instead of dots. We can write dash here. Dash. Dash.
And
Okay? To distinguish between the shared electrons and unshared electrons. Okay?
Okay.
Draw this, please. And after you finish drawing this electron dot structure, open your textbook, page 229. 229. You can take screenshot. Okay? Finished?
Finished.
finished.
You can take screenshot for this part. Finish?
Finished, teacher.
Okay. Now, we have 2 questions. Question number 7 and question number 8. Okay. I'm going to answer section B here and section A here. Okay? I'm going to answer question number 7, section A, section B, and the question number 8, section A. Okay? Bromine. What is the chemical formula for bromine?
BR.
Br, only Br, or Br2?
BR2.
BR2. Okay. How many valence electrons in each atom? 7. Group 17, 7. BR,
7.
BR, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many electrons each atom needs to be octet?
1.
1. From here, 1 electron, and from the second atom, 1 electron. Br, 1 pair between the two atoms, and the rest here. And this is the electron dot structure of bromine. Here for H2O2. Okay. Now, how many valence electron in hydrogen atom?
1.
1. Oxygen?
6.
6. Okay. Now, which atom needs more electrons?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. How
Yes.
many electrons it needs to be octet?
2.
2. So we draw oxygen in the center, 2 oxygen atoms. Okay? Okay? And
Okay.
here we draw 1 hydrogen and 1 hydrogen. Here 1 dots for hydrogen. Okay?
Okay.
And here we have 6 dots for oxygen. Okay?
Okay.
And 6 dots for oxygen. Okay?
Okay.
Now, hydrogen needs 1 electron, offer 1 electron, and here offer 1 electron for hydrogen. Here, oxygen, it still needs 1 electron to be octet, so it offer 1 electron to the second oxygen atom, and the oxygen offer 1 electron for it. And here also, okay? What is the electron dot structure will be like this: hydrogen, 2 dots, oxygen, 2 dots, oxygen, 2 dots,
And then
hydrogen. Here we have 2 dots, this and this, and here we have 2 dots. Okay, this will be the electron dot structure for H2O2. Any question?
No, teacher.
Okay, you can take screenshot or draw it in your notebook. We have only 1 minute, and you can leave after drawing the dot structure of this answer. Please answer C. Here we need C, and here we need B. Your homework: draw the electron dot structure for C in question 7 and B in question 8. Okay?
Okay.
That's it for today. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, Mr. Thank you for this class, Mr.
Welcome.